The power of community in weight loss. Weight loss is a common goal for many people, but it can be difficult to achieve without the right support. Community is an invaluable resource for those who are looking to make significant changes to their lifestyle and health. With the right community, it is possible to achieve weight loss goals. Having a group of people to rely on and to help motivate can be a great asset when it comes to weight loss. It can be easy to become discouraged when trying to make changes to one's diet and lifestyle, but having a supportive group of people can make the process much easier. This can be especially helpful for those who are trying to make a significant lifestyle change. Community support can also provide a sense of accountability. Knowing that others are counting on you to make changes and stay on track can be a powerful motivator. Having a group of people who are there to provide support and encouragement can make it much easier to stay on track and reach one's goals. Community support can also be beneficial in providing resources and advice. Having access to a knowledgeable group of people who have experience in achieving their own weight loss goals can be extremely helpful. These people can provide advice and tips on how to make the process easier and more successful. Finally, community support can provide a sense of camaraderie and connection. It can be difficult to make significant changes to one's lifestyle, but having a group of people who are going through the same process can make the journey much more enjoyable. This can make it easier to stay motivated and on track. Overall, community support can be an invaluable resource for those who are looking to make changes to their lifestyle and health. With the right community, it is possible to achieve weight loss goals and make significant changes to one's life.